you got one for subs, one for mids and highs. Yep. Gotcha. That's pretty cool.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You want to give me a walk around real quick?
So we got
You probably have to shut your door, it's really loud. Sorry, go ahead, man.
got PRV everything. Only thing that's not PRV is my subs. Lithium batteries, PRV 10s in the deck. Got 250 horns or 290 horns in the back deck. In the back doors I got PRV 15s with the 3220 horns in the back doors.
Okay.
Front doors I got a 10 and a 12 along with the 500 tweets. Middle console I got the 700 tweets along with the 250 horns.
Wow.
No outside
you got a lot of horns. Is that the high, super high frequency? Them horns are killing my ears.
The horns and the tweeters.
Okay. What's your box? Is it 4th order?
4th order in Impala.
Okay. Wow, you made it fit.
Oh yeah, I built it in the car.
Really?
The only way it'll fit. We had to build it inside the trunk.
So how big is it, spec-wise?
Almost a 1-to-1.
1-to-1?
The lithium batteries are behind the little panel.
Limitless 25 or 45?
That is the 45.
45. Okay. Awesome. What does it meter?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm not really a meter. What's all sound?
Yes, sir. What did you tune it to?
It's tuned to 35 on the port.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
That's the point.
I know, that's your goal though. It's super loud. You got some lows, then you can play a little lower. I don't know if you can turn the tweeters down, but that is insane. You can't, you just flare it. That is good though, because you can hear the music. You got the highs, the mids, your lows, everything. Really good bandwidth.
Yes, sir. I'm never standing now. I'm never standing now. At these big gates right here talking. Watch your mouth, no dissing me. You know we all saw it. You say I'm fake, that's your opinion, that's just y'all story. Just face the fact it was y'all blessing, but y'all ignored it. Your quest for fame had you distorted, not accepting sorry. I'm bringing at the streets about, the people vouch, the jail about, all the niggas in the feds about. We hear the
Man, that's the loudest tweeters today. That's your goal, right? PRV. Have these on your subs?
This is on all my doors. This one is on my subs, my horns, my tweets.
So you got one for subs, one for mids and highs. Gotcha. That's pretty cool. Man, you really did build an in-there vehicle. Yeah. You can't pull it out, you have to assemble it.
If I blow a sub, I had to take the ports out and get in there and pull one out, but that hasn't happened yet. So.
And this is an Impala?
Yep.
What year?
2012.
2012, okay. Heck yeah.
Got betrayed and came with great disappointment. I thought we was under that law, but you're not cruising it folks in my business. Gotta suit up with lawyers. Damn, this how we rock. They copyrighted my name and wanted $1 million. The label left in my face. I hit the
Appreciate it. Thank you for the info. Yeah, my ears are hurting. You don't get to hear it every day, so. You do. You're used to it?
Yeah. After a while, just like
It's killing my ears. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm used to just bass, not the.
Yeah.
It sounds good though. I'm not hating it.
Oh yeah. I'm not going for the loudest, it's just like the overall sound. You can hear everything.
You hear everything. You can play up to like 22K hertz clean. Is your, what about your alt head? See it? The video? I like to see everything from the video. I like to check it all out.
Man up 208 volts on that.
Nice. Really musical too. With your fourth order, the way you designed it, sounded good, man. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for showing me.
with it from the chop shop. I'll show you blow. We keep the pimpin' representing the legislators know.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.